Here we're working on a weed eater. You got to open the jets up a little bit. You got to have special tools. They make it where that you can't just put a Phillips head or a screwdriver in these things. You got to have a special tool to get these carburetor jets open on these weed eaters. So that has a little notch on the side of it. It fits down a round thing with a notch on it. It'll open up the jets a little bit. Turn it. And then we'll try to start after. It didn't run very good before that. It kept dying on me. Oh, there it goes. It's running now. Try. Got the sound mute so the lawnmower and weed eaters don't drown out the sound. We'll go try it out here in a little bit. We'll see how it does. Gotta use that kind of thing to open up the carburetor jets. It's running pretty good now. We're gonna go try it out.